When it comes to planning what to make for dinner, many of us are looking for meals that are easy on our wallet, yet don't make us feel like we're counting pennies. If that sounds like you, then you're going to go nuts over these unstuffed stuffed pork chops. To get going, we prepare a box of shortcut stuffing mix according to the package directions, except we add in some sliced fresh mushrooms. Now while that sits, we saute our thick-cut boneless pork chops that we seasoned in a bit of oil. Once they're browned, we top each with a scoop of our stuffing and place a slice of Munster cheese over that. Layering them like this is a lot easier than trying to stuff them. At this point, we'll add some white wine, cover it, and let it cook just long enough for the cheese to melt. Serve these up with a green veggie, spoon the pan drippings over them, and you have a feast that looks and tastes like it's fit for a king. And only you'll know how budget-friendly it is. To get the recipe for our unstuffed stuffed cheesy pork chops, all you have to do is visit our website. I know you'll be glad you did. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an unstuffed way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Delicious.